Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to take a look at the Pixel Buds. Now the Pixel Buds are earbuds that have probably been out for a while. I believe this is a second generation version of this. So I want to go ahead and pair it up with the Pixel 5 and tell you what I think about them. So let's get it open. Google was nice enough to send these over for me. Send them over to me and we're going to review them. So already I like this little eggshell case it comes in. I think that's pretty cool. These are the white ones, I bet. So how do you get them open here? Don't troll me, don't troll me, don't troll me. Oh, right there. All right, there we go. And this comes open like this. Here we go. All right. And that's that, and we're gonna pop them open here. So let's see what happens when I open this up. But okay, I know you guys want to, some of you guys want to see, some guys you don't. So here is some extra tips, and there's the data cable. I was wondering, I was like, where's the data cable at? But there's the data cable, and you got your literature down there. So let's get this out of the way, and these should pop right open and start to do like this pairing process. Let's hope that it does. There it is right there. Oh, that is cool. Oh, that is cool. All right, so it's connecting. That is super cool. It just says connecting, and then it says tap to finish Jay's Pixel Buds. And boom, this is really sweet. So we go start setup. Accept all the legal terms, and it says rotate each earbud until it stays fit. All right. All right, so it's in there, and let's put this one in. There's like this little music playing in my ears. It's pretty cool. Go next, and you can swipe towards either ear. Okay, cool. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Oh, yeah, I'm swiping on my ear. I swipe back. You can pause. Oh man, that is cool. Double tap. Triple tap. Alright. Alright. And so you can charge your earbuds by storing them in a protective case. Pretty cool. Let me get a screenshot of this for social media. Alright. Uh-oh. Let's go next. And then you can charge them down here on the bottom, and this is a syncing button more than likely down here on this little part down there on the back, and that's it. Pretty sweet. Also, it's got the dual microphone set up, inner ear detection, pretty nice. All right, comfortable. I accept. Pretty sweet. All right. Let's allow it. Hey Google. I agree. I was about to. Okay. Okay Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. All right, and we're all set. Assistant is now ready. Pretty sweet. So this is the Pixel Buds. You can see the percentage there on both is at 100%. You've got the Google Assistant notifications, find your device, tap controls, AAC, phone calls, contact sharing, and all. All right. So there it is, man. Let's put these in. These are actually pretty cool. So I'll charge them up, just to make sure that I'm, getting the most out of them. And I think I was going to buy these about 3 weeks ago. And all of a sudden I just didn't. I was like, why? I just didn't buy them. And then lo and behold, shout out to Team Pixel for hooking these up. And I'm going to be testing these out like crazy. So I appreciate Google hooking these up and sending them over. I really like the way this little eggshell charging case is. So that is the Pixel Buds, man. They are here. The Pixel Buds are here. They sent these over with the Pixel 5. Now, by the time you're watching this, obviously, I've been using this for some time, but I'll give you follow-up videos for sure. So that is the Pixel Buds with the Pixel 5. Wow, that's fantastic. Fantastic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.